Ow. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, it is raining outside and there's a lot of thunder and lightning happening. Funny me. One sec. Then there's no more. Ow, damn filter. Whoa. We're in a thunderstorm warning. I'm gonna do a little bit. This video taking this. There's another lightning flash, and then I have to reclose my window. There's that part's pushed up. Well, there's another lightning bolt. It's going lightning crazy outside. Now guys, before I end this video, as you guys can see, putting the curtain back into place. Another lightning bolt. Please remember to like. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, follow me on Twitch, because when I start getting into more, when I start doing more video game videos on Twitch, that's when that's when I'll start becoming more active on Twitch. I know I'm not very active on Twitch because Twitch is it's kind of like YouTube, but it's more where you can like live stream and do that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah. That is all for today's video. Please make sure to like. Make sure to click the like button. Make sure you also hit the subscribe button. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload another video. Okay? Thanks. Bye.